Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the shot. Open Snapchat and choose front or rear camera depending on the eye effect you want. Once done, enable a grid or portrait guide so placements stay consistent. This helps the app detect motion and face features. Now pick your framing, 3x3 or 16:9, and adjust flash or brightness so pupils aren't blown out. Make sure the background is plain. Clutter interferes with lens tracking, and that's why this early setup matters. You record the eye movement next, and steady footage is critical. Mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface so Snapchat's lens can track accurately. Then instruct the subject. Hold a fixed gaze, perform slow blinks, and include slight head turns so the effect has natural depth. Record several takes of 6 to 12 seconds each so you have options. Once you have clean clips, review for focus and lighting, because small motion or blur will break the eye effect during editing. You finalize by importing or capturing the chosen clip in Snapchat, then swipe through lenses until you find the specific eye's lens you want. Apply it and adjust intensity, color, or added overlays so the effect reads well on small screens. When satisfied, save to memories or export to camera roll for sharing. If the lens misaligns, re-record with brighter, even lighting and less motion. Make sure the face is centered in the frame and avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.